My room small. I take my bag. Walk street. No talking. Gym underground. Smell like sweat. Pain. Everyday punching bag. Discipline. Morning run. Mountain cold. Nobody complain. Coach show technique. You watch. You learn. After training, we walk mosque. Sunset time.